and welcome back. So, by the title of the video and also by my new hair, you can tell that I dye my hair. I wanted to dye my hair for so long, but I never got myself to actually do it. And recently I cut my hair and I was talking with my friend and I just decided just fuck it and do it. And obviously because I was doing it on my own, I had to film it. Either I'm going to have amazing hair or I'm going to burn them. At the beginning I wanted to make it like a vlog, so I'll vlog my day and how I dye my hair. But the footage is so messy and some of the things I didn't even film, so I just thought it would be better that I would do a voiceover over them so the video will make sense. At least. Monday comes around, my friend picked me up and we went to the store. We got to the alley and my confusion grew because I didn't have an idea what was happening. Were so many things.
Here's something cringe. Remember the last time we were here, we went to buy hair dye and we broke it? But the lady, she was like, oh, if you buy another one, it's a special offer. I'm like, I broke the other one. We just left it there. It's like a lift.
We find like a powder dye and also a liquid. We thought that was a liquid dye, that those were the same things. Spoiler, it wasn't the same thing.
I don't know.
How much is it? It's €1. We tried to buy one.
What is it? What to mix it with soap? You read it? Because I tried to Google it, I forgot.
So it took us about 20 minutes to decide that we're gonna buy them both just in case. Thank God.
Okay, look, I tried to use this one. This one is almost like bleach. I tried to use it. I'm not sure if because it's old or something. Instead of bleaching my hair, like to get rid of this stupid color, I bleach my shirt instead. This for sure is bleach, but I need to find that. Let's see if we can. You want to try this one?
We Google how we use this.
Yeah, what's on it? No. Whatever, you just take it to be sure.
For professional use only. That's sweet.
You think it, like if we can mix it with that one, make it stronger? That will really gonna pull your hair off. I'm not sure if it's easy. How else are you gonna mix it with water? Okay, it's €1. We're trying to take.
Okay, we take also this one.
And the problem, I mean, you need like this after soap, like this blue soap, but I can't find that one.
That was like.
So that's why we have to
tone it. We have to tone it. How do we tone it?
We dye with a different color.
I don't think that's...
So that's why I was looking at this one, because I presumed also like, but it says only comes with.
We suck.
Even the instructions say like, oh, you have to use professional use. Like if it's not in the box, don't use it. It's like, what box?
There's no instructions.
It says here gel 1 plus free. What the hell that means?
This is 30. Oh, let's take 20.
Dude, you get these.
I'm just gonna take 20.
It's a good thing you saw the bottle.
Yeah.
Because the limit of the 30 and the 46 3 in 1.
But then, before we left, I remember that you also have to tone. A while ago I watched a video and I remember something about toning. Then my friend was like, yeah, I think you can tone them with purple shampoo, because we couldn't find a normal like toner for hair. So we found like the only purple shampoo was in the store and we got them.
I am confusion.
Using hair breakage for highlighted blonde and gray hair. And then this one's in funny words.
I think it's this polish.
For highlighting and brown, huh?
This is in polish.
Trying to read it then.
For blonde hair.
Yeah.
And gray.
Okay, that's what it says underneath in English, so I don't know what's the point of that. But I presume you never seen the one on TikTok that tried to use it, like to dye the hair with this purple shampoo. You just left it on for 4 hours. It's like, oh, nothing can change. Like, yeah, it's supposed to be like color correcting. So you think you want to buy this bottle one? Maybe let's try to find another soap.
Another soap.
I think there's only one brand of purple soap. No, we're stuck.
Here, what is here?
That's the one I use. Is more like give you like texture hairs. It's like watered down hairspray.
Cool.
But to be sure, we also bought like a normal dye hair, just in case. We got home, I changed because I didn't want to get my clothes destroyed. I'm wearing my grey Shrek DIY top that I made in another video. If you know, you know. If you don't, you should watch that video. And then we actually tried to research a bit what we're doing. And we come to find out that the powder was a bleach. And this little guy here that we thought was bleach was actually a developer. We had the 20, was the smaller that they have there. And that you take the bleach and you add the developer. Wow. I sat down, my friend like sectioned my hair, and we got to actually dyeing it.
Fingerness.
Okay.
How far you want to go? Like here?
I think so.
Who's gonna look at you just like,
Me!
it's not even, at least you notice and nobody else can. Unless you're gonna point at it out like, look! It's not even. My friend fucked up.
My very expensive hairdresser.
She decided that there is no more. She's done. Wait.
The smell was so... Once I was dyeing my roommate's hair and the smell was so strong, like for the past 3 days I have the smell still in my nostrils. It's horrible. Anyway, she dyed my hair.
I think we have to start like from the bottom top before we get the roots.
You don't do the roots first?
What is the opposite? You go to the... Well, we do the roots. Let's do the roots first. It's not strong bleach we're doing. Take it easy. At the time
When I was coloring my roommate's hair, I always started with the roots.
You bleach her hair?
I didn't bleach it, I colored it.
Yeah, it's color, it's not bleach.
No, this is bleach.
Yeah, but you said you color your hair, friends. You go start with the roots in the bottom and then.
Yeah.
That's color, not bleach.
I don't know.
So like, what we mean?
Okay, let's start with it.
No, no, because I heard this say, because your root is like your strongest hair part than the one down. So it's like, oh, you start to your hair and then the bottom. You said in the structure what you want from me, I'm guessing. So I mix this together?
I think.
Chill.
I know.
That ain't chill. Ah, you stupid baby hairs. Ready?
You start with the top. Okay?
Actually, there's a lot of Vaseline. Oh no! Oh no! I don't think it's going good. I hate. Oh, fuck this. Watch out! Watch out! No, sorry.
It's fine, it's fine.
No, it's not fine. I nearly blind you eye with bleach. What?
Nothing, just...
How long is your hair? I thought it was short. It just started to peel.
The realization that I'm
That you
bleaching
fucked up.
my hair is just coming to me.
Do you feel anything?
No.
Because I want a section, even though it's a small part of your hair, sorry. It's even like a small part of your hair. I still want a section to see like, oh, if it went through. I don't think it's gonna work. Put this on. Hold it. And let me do the other one fast. Look.
with the tinfoil and we created this lovely thing on my head. And we left it for about 10 minutes. After that, we went to the bathroom, we put a purple shampoo to tone it, then we washed it. I dried my hair.
Okay. It did the job a little bit. I like this little fucker.
Let's wash it.
Wash it. The sink is right in front of you. Ready? Go. It looks good. Sorry, I stepped on the can. Look at that bitch. I love it already. We could do it better, but it looks nicer though. Cute. Ow!
And it did bleach, although it was a bit orange, but you know, it wasn't half bad. It wasn't the perfect bleach hair. There was some spots that we missed, there were some spots that shouldn't be bleached but they were, like here. I was honestly very happy that I didn't burn my hair and it didn't look half bad, you know. It didn't look like that, but it didn't look half bad. So I obviously had to send all of my friends the photo. They all said that it was a little bit too orange. So the next day I was hanging out with some other friends and I still had this dye. And you see this purity white color. And I thought that I want this color. And you know what? I'm just gonna dye them. It can get worse. Obviously, it's not the same color, as you can tell. So we got there, they helped me, my friends again helped me to dye them. We made the dye, we left it about 35 minutes and we got to clean it out. When we took it out, my hair was very dark and as dark as my normal hair. And I just got scared, and all of my friends, that we dyed my hair the same color they were in the beginning. And I was just freaking out because I was like, did I dye my hair for no reason? Thankfully, when we dried them up, it actually was this color. It wasn't my actual color. It wasn't as white as in the box. It's not the same color as it was at the beginning. It's more tone yellow and it's more blonde. It isn't the perfect color I wanted, but it's better than it was before. The box lied, but whatever. On the box says that in like 4 days you're supposed to get more blonde, but it didn't. I tried to tone them with a purple shampoo, didn't do much. I even think it got more orange. So final thoughts, I love it. Isn't the hairstyle I wanted? I wanted like white, like Draco Malfoy's mother in Harry Potter, that kind of white. And when you take them up, it's just like that. I love it. I'm not the first one to have this hairstyle. If you have TikTok, you saw everybody get this hairstyle, but you know what? I don't care. I'm a fan. It looks good. And important disclaimer I should say in the beginning of the video, but I forgot. This is not a tutorial. Do not follow what I'm doing. I don't know what I was doing the whole time. I'm not professional. I didn't even do the research. I just did it. So I don't advise anybody to do what I did. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.